This video is about another issue with the loose threads. Now we're going to start sewing. This is the top thread, which is green, and the bottom thread is red. If we look closely, the green thread is loose, and if I pull it off, it'll easily become wrinkled. It is because the thread is not tied well, and the stitches are not tight enough. If the top thread is loose, it is because the tension screw is too tight. So what you have to do is spin the tension screw non-clockwise. Now we're going to try it again. Then if the thread is still too loose, you can go back and loosen the tension screw again.